All right, so check it out. I'm out here in Duchesne on my drive home from work. A full load out here with the adventure machine, the mountain tractor, and the yard tractor. But I stopped in here to the wood mill that I've been eyeing up for all these years and asking these guys about some prices for custom cut timber. And I am shocked at how affordable it is. Let's go check it out. Man, these guys are freaking super nice. The one fella's been running the mill here for a few years. The other guy's kind of new, but the owner is up cutting timber down right now, up in the forest logging. So asked if I could take some photos. I'm gonna take the liberty of taking some video too, but. So I want to build a pretty big gate to replace the steel gate at the farm next to the barn, and gonna get some of them long timbers. Look how big that one is right there. But they've got ponderosa pine cut down from up in the woods, and they got all sorts of nice stuff up in here. Yellow pine, and a big old Cujo looking dog with a fresh haircut, except for around his glorious mane. But dude, I can't believe the prices. I'm never buying wood at Home Depot or Lowe's again, man. These guys are awesome. And the mill and the saw blades are freaking rad. But I asked him for some free samples. So he said, yeah, you can have all them blocks of wood, all them small scraps in that bin over there. So we'll pull up and load up a couple. But look at that big old sucker. It's got to be about 40 feet long almost, probably. Going to town cutting it right now. Awesome. Wow. Nice. I could use a couple of those. Nice, dude. Scored some yellow pine. This stuff's kind of heavy wet. And I don't know, there was some ponderosa in there too. You said they do a lot of work for the mines. You said they do some log cabin stuff, but a lot of work for the mines, building cribbing and just all sorts of different stuff for utilitarian type of stuff. Not a whole lot consumer based type of stuff, but that's awesome to find a place that's actually got the wood I'm gonna need for that big gate project. Super sweet. I could probably talk him into a full YouTube video one day. Freaking cool. Onward, back home to the farm for once, finally.